In this video, I'll show you how to use the Poppo Live app, from setting up your profile to going live and interacting with others. First, head to the App Store or Google Play and search for Poppo Live. Download and install the app. Once installed, open it and sign up using your phone number, Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. After signing in, you'll land on the home screen, where you can scroll through live streams from users around the world. Tap on any stream to join as a viewer. You can send virtual gifts, comment, or follow the streamer. To set up your profile, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Add a profile picture, a short bio, and update your preferences. If you want to become a host or streamer, apply through the Become a Host option. The app may require identity verification before you go live. To go live, tap the plus button in the center, grant camera and microphone permissions, then add a title, choose your category, and press Go Live. While live, you can interact with viewers, receive gifts, and grow your following. Poppo Live also includes private chats, games, rankings, and a gifting system that can be monetized. So the more active and engaging you are, the more rewards you can earn. And that's it. Whether you're just watching or ready to stream, Poppo Live is a fun and interactive way to connect with people globally. Thanks for watching.